How to change Messenger language. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Messenger language. It's super easy, so make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and check for the languages. Tap on the menu, which are 3 lines at the corner of the screen. Then go to the gear icon to open settings. Scroll through and check whether there is any options available. There is no any option to change the language on the Messenger. So go back to the home screen. Now head to the settings. Scroll down, tap on General. Again, scroll down in the General section. Go for the Language and Region option under the Preferred Languages. Here in my device, English is set as the primary languages. If you want to change the language, then you need to just hold the lines of the English language options and drag it to the second. Now the second language, which is Chinese, will be the primary language of the device. Finally, tap Continue. That's how you can easily change the language on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.